Salute the YoungStar.
24 years old, been producing for 4 years. I'm from Bow, East London, around the corner from here. I've worked with a few rappers from UK. My biggest song out now is with an artist called Germ from Atlanta. UK wise, I've worked with Myers, I've worked with ICE Fats, Trapstar Toxic, Rimsey, Big Swings, local artists from around here, J Leone. The list goes on, but there's a lot of released songs and unreleased songs. But I'm gonna kind of be cutting through with you lot the fundamentals, the boring part, the fun part, the practical part of how to use FL Studio to the best of your ability within 6 weeks. And ideally, I want to have a group decision on what genre you lot want to make, whether it's rap, trap, or drill, as those are the three go-to genres UK artists kind of pick up on, unless you include hip-hop. But yeah, that's my little introduction. That's what we're here to do for the next couple of weeks.
Yeah. Everyone ready?
Are you lot all familiar with Logic?
Yeah.
So you know all this, cool, simple stuff. Obviously, edit, your channels are here. This is where you'd add your plugins. If you go to channels, then add one. Your plugin should be there. View, the view panel is just shortcuts to enable things. So
The colour system in this as well. That makes
Yeah,
you know what I
like
mean?
you can see audio is blue,
Yeah.
MIDI is
But it's grey, it's all grey on FL.
Yeah.
Yeah. Change it. Like, what's that about, man? Rationalising.
Oh no, but FL is back. The people that use it are so talented. They have too many brain cells.
This
in
is
their
what
head.
I'm saying.
They're
Like,
so
my
talented.
dad, when he was like my
Like,
age.
why your brain cells telling you hold your laptop at a 40-degree angle and you'll find FL keys or something like that.
Turn that into a just a bit, just a bit.
Gigs will jump on this nice. Who else could jump on this nice? Who else could jump on this twice? Add a little spice. Chicken and rice. It's all good, so nice. Sweet like. Tell them Jay, cause I said it. Sweet like twice. Listen. Easy in the building.
My brain ups.
You go in the building.